Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add music or audio content to GIF animation in Canva. So GIF animation only contains frames and there is no audio data, but we can technically add maybe background music or sound effect to it to make it more immersive. But please keep in mind, if you are planning to do that, that essentially will change the format from GIF to MP4 or a video format. So here's how you can do it. First, you can upload your your GIF file to Canva. You can go to uploads and then drag and drop this the GIF file into this section, and then you will see the GIF animation on the videos category. Even though it is categorized as a video, it is actually still a GIF animation, and you can see the label right here. Okay, now I have this Homer Simpson hiding in a bus animation that I think you have seen that many times on the internet, and I want to add some sound effects to it. But first, let's open the track view. You can click thumbnail view right here, and then you want to enable duration, and this will allow us see multiple tracks or multiple clips of this document. And I'm going to visit elements and search for grass sound effect. Let's visit audio, and I guess the keyword is grass movement. Okay, so grass movement. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm going to put this, I'm going to drag and drop to this section. So when you actually play the whole thing, it will become like this. Yeah, so basically it's something like that. I just use this sound effect, but of course you can always add music or even audio narration if you want to, but that's basically the idea. That's how you can do it. Now, to get this GIF animation, you can, sorry about that, I'm going to set this video as a background, so it's going to be full, and click share. You can click download, make sure to select MP4, and you can adjust the quality, and after that you can click download. So what's going to happen is Canva will render this GIF animation with the audio file as well, and then eventually you will be able to download the file as an MP4 video. All right, this is the file. I'm going to open it on Google Chrome, and this is the result. So that's exactly how you can add music or audio to a GIF animation in Canva. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel if you like this video.